Welcome back. This video is about internal rate of return. So let's begin. What's internal rate of return? The internal rate of return is the interest rate at which the present value of total cash inflows equals the present value of cash outflows. In case of independent projects, those projects where the IRR is greater than the cost of capital will be accepted. But in case of mutually exclusive projects, the project whose IRR is greater than the cost of capital and the largest among all other projects will be accepted. Advantages of internal rate of return are: considers time value of money, capital expenditure is not required to be determined, considers cash flow of an organization, considers residual value, helps in selecting right and profitable project, etc. Disadvantages of internal rate of return are: process of determining internal rate of return is complex and time consuming, fails to give correct results, causes problems in making right decisions, using this method is more risky in an unstable economy, etc. Let's go to the Excel sheet to see how to calculate internal rate of return. Here, Jamuna company has two projects, Project DEF and Project UVW. Here, the initial investment or the cash outflow of Project DEF is $15,000 and Project UVW is $16,000 from year 1 to year 5. These are the cash inflows of Project DEF and these are the cash inflows of Project UVW. Cost of capital is given 15%. We have to compute internal rate of return for both projects. To calculate internal rate of return for project DEF, at first we have to put equal sign, then type IRR, double tap on it or double click on it to see the function. Then we have to select all the values of project DEF, including its cash outflow as well as cash inflows. Then we have to put a comma, then we have to put cost of capital, then close the bracket and press the enter key. As you can see, the internal rate of return for project DEF is 41%. In similar way, you can calculate the internal rate of return of project UVW. Now the question came into mind that among these two projects, which project should I choose? So we can solve this situation in two ways. One is theoretical way and another is functional way. So if we see a theoretical way, those projects whose IRR is greater than the cost of capital will be accepted, others will be rejected. So as you can see that internal rate of return of project DEF is higher than the internal rate of return of project UVW. So we can easily say that project DEF will be the acceptable project. Now I will show you the functional way. At first we have to put equal sign, then type if, then double click on it to see the function. Then so if internal rate of return of project DEF is greater than the internal rate of return of project UVW, then we have to put a comma, then we have to select project DEF, again comma, then we have to select project UVW, then close the bracket and press the enter key. As you can see, the result is here. So we can compute these two ways to solve internal rate of return. Thanks for watching.